I'm taking a gamble with Bedbug, but I have a hunch he's my perfect target. Doesn't have much, has a lot to lose, easily intimidated, and ambitious, but lazy. All right, start with his home, tap his cell phone, just record everything he says.
take me to the swamp meet. Now, what is it you have to do that's so involved?
Work, Grandma. I got work.
Oh, you got a job now. Well, why you didn't
It's
tell
not
me?
like that, Grandma.
Oh, I see. It's not a job for Tyrone. It's a job for Bedbug, huh?
Come on, Grandma.
Bedbug doesn't even mean anything.
Yeah, it does. It means I'm a player.
What?
A bed bug can get into any lady's bed.
That's disgusting. Oh, I raised you better than that.
Yeah, I'm on way. I gotta go, Grandma. Love you.
Yeah, I love you too, even though you're a damn fool.
Let's see what dirt I can dig up on you. All goes well. You'll never see it coming.
Good? Yeah, B, let's roll. Why's Iraq doing all this? To control a village. You go in as a friend. Tell them that everybody outside their walls is some crazy fucker who wants what they got. Eyes and ears in every house. You know what they're selling and you know what they're buying. You control it. Anybody step out of line, they're gonna hand them to you. So you gonna put in a good word for me or what? I don't know, man. Why should I? I wanna be a shot caller, dude. Come on. I'll try your ass wherever you wanna go. Always on time, too, B. Never let you down, not even once, son. True, but that's why I wanna keep you where you are. No, listen though, for real. You wanna move up? I ain't supposed to say nothing, but Iraq been moving weight up in Parker Square. I'll talk to him. He might be able to cut you in. Damn, B, not so loud. Damn, man, they expecting trouble? Looks like Iraq locking everything down. So what are we, babysitters? No, soldiers, fam. Remember when Flying his crew disappeared? And they stepped out of line. Iraq put him down himself. I know, because I helped him bury the bodies. Man, don't say that shit out loud, son. You know your fan paranoid about that shit getting back to him? I'll say whatever I want. What? Are you paranoid too? Only when I'm around your ass, fam.
There. That's the blackmail I'm after. Rack hears this little gem and Bedbug will be buried in a landfill.
Don't like how it's playing, locking down the hood. Might as well call the popo yourself.
Nah, they don't come out here no more. Not here. Nobody give a shit about this place.
It ain't right, man.
The way I see it, they gave it to us. It's our shit. We the police now.
You have the right to suck my dick.
Man, you nuts.
You have the right to shut the fuck up, motherfucker.
You better stop woofing, cuz. Respect the law.
Man, kid wasn't even banging. Shot down in front of his mom. Got the cards? Yeah, B. Their numbers too? Yeah, they in there. What about Iraq's cut? Don't worry about Iraq. Worry about me.
Playing, locking down the hood. Might as well call the popo yourself.
Nah, they don't come out here no more. Not here. Nobody give a shit about this place.
It ain't right, man.
The way I see it, they gave it to us. It's our shit. We the police now.
You have the right to suck my dick.
Man, you nuts.
You have the right to shut the fuck up, motherfucker.
Better stop woofing, cuz. Respect the law.
My motherfucking... Ah!
Man, kid wasn't even banging. Shot down in front of his mom. Got the cards? Yeah, B. Their numbers too? Yeah, they in there. What about Iraq's cut? Don't worry about Iraq. Worry about me. Yo, check it. Big B's on the move. Sup, V? Why, yes, you may. Alone? Mother, may I? Fuck me, man.
Making a round?
Yup. Fixing to drive over. What do you think? Expect anything?
No, and it sounds like the club don't trust Iraq no more.
Good. Because they'll be dealing with me soon. When I call the shot, I remember what you... Yo, check it. Big B's on the move. Sup, V's? May I talk to Lil Juice? Why, yes, you may. Alone? Mother, may I? Fuck me, man.
Making a round?
Yup. Fixing to drive over. What do you think? Expect anything?
No, and it sounds like the club don't trust Iraq no more.
Good. Because they'll be dealing with me soon. When I call the shots, I remember what you done. Rabbit, what's up?
Got something you want to hear, bub. Trust me.
So, tell me.
Not here, fam. It's me. You got that dough on you?
Always. Why?
No, this gonna cost you. But it's worth it. Trust me.
Yeah, we'll see about that. What the fuck is going on?
Nothing, B. We just playing.
Yeah, I see that. Now, you're supposed to be keeping a fucking eye out. That's what you're supposed to be doing. And you want me to call Iraq and tell him you fools could have let somebody inside?
Ain't nobody got past, B. Got the whole crew out. This place is tight.
Better be.
Better be.
Alright. Talk.
Look, I want 500 for what I know.
What the fuck you know that's worth that much cash?
Because you ain't got much time unless you pay up now, fam.
Oh, you gonna threaten me? You don't fuck with me, man. You think Iraq won't hear about this, man? What's wrong with you?
Oh, dude. Iraq? Serious? Iraq is your fucking problem.
I mean, tell me what you know. This better be good.
Look, it's simple. They gonna call you down to the bricks, and then they gonna kill you.
That's bullshit, man.
Whoa, hey, what are you doing, man? Come on, fam. Come on,
What the fuck? Rabbit's stealing from Iraq. You see that motherfucker? Shoot him. I'm out, V's. Do this right.
The guy who just saved your ass. and I can do a lot more if you cooperate. What are the bricks?
Look, just get me out of here, man, and I'll tell you.
All right, pay attention.
This ain't right.
Now, go.
Yeah. Moving. I don't wanna die, man.
Go, quickly.
I hear ya. Man, fuck this and fuck you, that
Rabbit,
motherfucker.
wait! Shit!
Yeah, it's all ready to roll. Now you get him to the brick factory, my boys, and kill him quick. And I know he's a friend, so this is a test. You do what I ask, and you'll get a reward.
Shit. Iraq's put a kill command on Bedbug. I need to show up in this place and deal with these guys. These foot soldiers don't mean anything to Iraq, but a weak link is no place in a gang. I've seen this happen to a few guys. They don't pull their weight and they get torn down hard. But if Bedbug can survive it, show he's got what it takes, Iraq won't just save face, he'll embrace the kid. Show him off.